Hello everyone, this is Chetan Gupta. In today's video we are going to study or we are going to discuss about the reflection of light. How does light reflect from a surface and how can we explain it, that we will discuss. So first let us start with reflection of light. You see, through an example I can make you understand this, that when we throw a ball or we hit a ball on a wall, what happens? That ball, after striking on the wall, returns back in the same plane and at the same angle. So this coming back of the ball to the same plane is known as reflection of the ball. In the same way, when light falls on a surface, it reflects back to the same medium, same plane at the same angle. Okay, you see, when we throw light using a torch on a mirror or on any surface which is an even surface, then what happens? The light reflects back, and that reflected light we can see on some wall or in some other direction. So that is known as reflection of light. The principle of vision is based on the reflection of light only, because when light falls on any surface, it reflects back, and because of the reflection of light, the object becomes visible to us. So this is the example of reflection of light. Here I can show you through a picture. All these are the incident rays, and this is reflecting surface. A reflecting surface, it is polished on one side, the other side is the reflecting. This is the reflection, this is the surface from which reflection is taking place, and these are the incident rays. So when these rays incidence on this surface, what happens? They return to the same path. The reason is, here the angle of incidence is 0, therefore the angle of reflection is also 0. Okay, so this is reflection of light. Now after this, let us see the types of reflection of light. Basically there are two types of reflection of light. One is regular reflection, the other one is irregular reflection. Now what happens in regular reflection? You see, when the surface, that is the reflecting surface, is a plane surface, okay, it is generally a polished surface. On one side of the reflecting surface, one side is polished and the other side is the reflecting side. So when light rays falls on it, when a parallel beam of light falls on it, the reflected beam also is a parallel beam of light only. This kind of reflection is regular reflection. Now second one, example of regular reflection, we can say when the reflection from a mirror is an example of regular reflection. Now second one, irregular reflection. Irregular reflection is also known as diffused reflection. You see, in irregular reflection what happens? The incident light rays are parallel, means the beam of light which incidents on a surface is a parallel beam, but the reflecting light rays are not parallel to each other like this. Okay, so here the reflection is irregular. This kind of reflection takes place from books or from newspaper or from walls or whatever, because these surfaces are not shiny surfaces, we can say. A lot many irregularities are there on these surfaces. So this is irregular or diffused reflection. Thank you.